including those currently in the movie theater.
Economy.
We have one movie, Jaws.
Oh, classic.
Jaws Part 4,
Ow.
in Chinese,
Of course.
but subtitled in Cantonese.
Why?
Business.
Would you like some silk blanket, maybe a pillow? Also, your seat can be angled all the way down like a bed.
Economy.
I'm very cold.
So,
Business.
here is our menu. You can order anytime after takeoff until landing.
I will have the truffle with truffle.
Would you like to season it with truffle?
Economy.
Chicken or fish?
I'm not actually hungry right now.
Oh, thinking we're above the others, are we? We're eating now. There's no other choice. So, chicken or fish?
Fish?
Cool, chicken.
Business.
Did you ring?
Economy.
You like the seat? It's comfortable? Thank you for your business. You know, if you're enjoying everything, just... Can you stop that?
Business. Economy.
I'm sorry, in here it's a bit noisy and a bit cramped. Would it be possible to upgrade?
Sure, let me ask. Hey, everybody! There's a passenger here who paid the same price as you did and he would like a taste of richness. What do you think? Oh, sorry, in economy, there's democracy.
Business.
Sir, would it be okay if I pulled your blind down so that the sun doesn't get in?
Of course.
Economy.
Pull the blind down.
It's okay. Just want to see outside a little bit.
No, you don't. No, you don't. It's a sky. You never seen a sky before? It's blue. It's nothing like your future. Boom, in your face.
Business.
This is the best seat in the plane, by the way.
Look at this legroom.
Economy.
This seat is a seat.
You shut up.
Sorry.
Oh, business.
Would it be possible to change seats?
Of course.
Economy.
No, you stay here. You know you could have selected a window seat when you booked on our website.
Well, I used a different website for the discount.
All right, being cheap, I see. Okay, and now you will pay the price of a cheaper price.
Business.
This way, sir.
Ah, thank you.
Let me help you with this.
Woohoo. Economy.
Stuff, huh? You're too short to reach, too. Someone should really help you. Oh, sir, I'm sorry. Sir, please, let me.
Business.
Thank you very much for flying with us, sir.
I will see you tonight when my rich person business meeting is done. I'm so rich.
Economy.
Bye. Come on, bye. All right. Who spilled this? Who made this? Whose baby is this? Whose baby? You know it's going to the trash, right? You guys know that?